Welcome to Nace's Nest. I am at Scrappy Chic located in Livonia, Michigan. Let's see what kind of trouble we can get into today. We're back at the nest, and today I'm going to show you how to take doilies and turn them into Christmas trees. Take your doily and you're going to fold it in half and then fold it again. And then where all the creases are, you're going to cut this into fours. So the supply list to do all of this today is obviously doilies. You're going to need popsicles. I used a brown ink pad and shimmer spray, and I'm using them in the green family. I'm using Aleene's tacky glue, washi tape of your choice. So now we are going to make the trunk of our tree. To take your tree, and you are just going to ink the whole thing up. Layer your tree on, and then you're going to use your favorite glue, and that is going to give you this. Here's where the fun comes in. I would suggest then just adding maybe a star at the top to be the Christmas tree ornaments. Now, all I get to do now is have fun and play. And I'm going to put the added final decorations on them. I let mine dry for 24 hours. These Christmas doily trees have so many uses, and you can even get the kids involved in making them.